Hey guys, I got new merch. And I mean fake merch. I mean, this is a picture. I made a picture. I didn't make anything in Pixel Editor. These are all real. No, they're not. Okay, so first of all, we have this limited edition $80 sweatshirt. Black edition. Oh my god. And down here, we have the same exact thing, but white. Oh my god, such a genius. Right? Forget it. And lastly, we have these limited edition $80 socks, black edition also. And I put the words on the heels of the socks. Oh my god, so amazing! And for my 2 subscribers watching this, yeah, you can have all these for free. Thanks for subscribing. And by that, I mean the actual pictures of the things, not the actual sweatshirt. I don't know how to design real merch, okay? Maybe I'll figure out one day, but... And I mean by you can have all this for free, I mean the actual JPEGs of the things I made. It's a bunch of sweatshirt with text on them. But anyway, guys, this is not what took me so long. I'm actually working on a bunch of stuff. And bye!